Hello YouTube, WJ's Handy Dad here, and today we're talking about why I haven't sold the 2010. So try to ignore that beeping. Central Texas has basically been under perpetual road work for the last year, and it's really getting annoying, but it is what it is. Anyway, if you remember when I purchased this car, the original plan was to basically clean it up, give it the WJ Handy Dad treatment, cleaning, fixing things, changing fluids, that sort of stuff, and then sell it. And believe it or not, I was thinking of selling it for about $3,000, which at the time was probably a very fair price for a car like this. It's got under 150,000 miles. It's in great running condition, and of course, most importantly, it's a Crown Vic Police Interceptor P7B. So you know it's gonna run 200,000–300,000 miles most likely without any problems. And of course, seats 5, got a huge trunk, bang for the buck, really hard to beat. So that was the plan. Well, what's happened since? The popularity of the Crown Vic has just exploded in the last year. All the great YouTube channels that we all watch and love have made the popularity of these cars just go through the roof. And what we've seen since then is prices are skyrocketing as the demand exceeds the supply. Remember, the last ones were made in 2011, not counting the ones sent overseas in 2012. So there's just not many of these out there. And honestly, with COVID-19 and 2020, the year being what it's been, used car prices are going through the roof too. So even if I sold this car for $5,000 or even $10,000, I can't replace it. There's nothing out there for sale right now that's even close to this in that price range. The car starts up and runs like a brand new vehicle. So let's take a look at some vehicles that are available near me, starting with $5,000 vehicles, then $8,000, and finally $10,000. And obviously $10,000 you get a little better selection, but still nothing that I think is better than my Crown Vic. So tell me what you think this car is worth. Should I sell it? Should I keep it? I mean, I have two, and they're both in phenomenal condition, especially compared to what I see out there. I mean, that's my daily driver right there. And, you know, I really enjoy driving it. And I don't think, even if someone offered me $10,000 right now, that I'd necessarily want to sell it for that. So tell me what you think.